Today we are going to discuss some yoga poses which will help you guys with anxiety and depression. Yoga can be a helpful tool for managing depression and anxiety as it promotes relaxation, reduces stress, and improves overall well-being. In other words, you should absolutely perform these poses when you're feeling nervous, agitated, depressed, experiencing a panic attack, or you just want to escape from the darkness and into the light. This will help you to overcome all of these feelings. Here are some yoga poses that can aid in relieving symptoms of depression and anxiety. So without further hesitation, grab a mat and let's start it. Child's Pose, Balasana. Child's Pose is a restorative pose that promotes relaxation and helps to calm the mind. It can also help to release tension in the neck, shoulders, and back. Downward Facing Dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Downward Facing Dog is an inversion that stretches the hamstrings, calves, and spine while also calming the mind and reducing stress. It can be a great way to release tension and improve circulation. Legs Up the Wall, Viparita Karani. Legs Up the Wall is a restorative pose that helps to reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. It can also help to improve circulation and reduce swelling in the legs. Bridge Pose, Setubandha Sarvangasana. Bridge pose is a gentle back bend that can help to reduce stress and anxiety while also stretching the chest, neck, and spine. It can be a great way to improve posture and boost mood. Corpse Pose, Shavasana. Corpse Pose is a final relaxation pose that allows the body and mind to fully relax and release tension. It can be a great way to reduce stress and promote overall well-being. Remember, yoga is just one part of a holistic approach to managing depression and anxiety. It's important to also seek professional support and to incorporate other self-care practices into your routine, such as regular exercise, healthy eating, and mindfulness practices. Thanks.